Mobile pool cleaning and maintenance service, South Brisbane, Queensland. This established pool cleaning and maintenance business is a great little earner, designed to avoid the hassle of GST. With an outstanding reputation, impressive regular client base, and no need for premises, this one is a winner. iCare Pools was established in 2016 and currently turns over $73,000 for a 20-hour week. Being a mobile service, there are no premises to worry about and excellent tax benefits. The business enjoys constant work with no need for marketing unless you would like to expand. iCare Pools has 64 regular clients on the books and is also available to 15 real estate businesses. This business would suit another sole trader or an existing pool company seeking to extend its client base. With an established reputation and client base, it would also suit someone wanting to start their own business. There are still opportunities for further growth by extending trading hours, boosting marketing, and even franchising.